Welcome to the Tony Spalding's Boxing Complex for the multiple weight division brawl between the Arnett Gardens Warrior ladies and the Cavalier Gladiator ladies. And the fight starts with the Arnett Gardens forward in the face of the Cavalier goalkeeper. And there is the first blow, and there is the retaliation. Ooh, punches left, right, and center. There goes a kick. The Arnett Gardens striker is in trouble, but the referee is dodging the line of fire. And here comes the other members of both teams getting into the brawl. And all hell is beginning to break loose at the Tony Spalding's Boxing Complex as the bell goes to signal the end of this entertaining bout. And while the judges ponder their decision, let's look back at the replays of this action-packed bout. The fighters wasted little time in getting into action. The goalkeeper was much more decisive in her execution. But that Arnett striker is a little warrior who was not backing down, but is still too close to call. As we await the judge's decision, we go back to the studio for a short break.